simple edit you can do to your video to make it brighter, clearer, and more presentable to your audience. Hello guys, welcome back. How are you all doing? And compliment of the season. How are you celebrating the season? And Happy New Year in advance. Don't worry, we all and our family members will see next year in peace. If you have not yet followed me or subscribe, please do so. Like the video and comment. Let's head there. So, posting before, I realized that YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook, after posting, they will just reduce the camera quality so drastically. It was annoying at first because seeing a video on your phone very clear, after posting it, you now go and watch it again there. You will just see that, is this the video I actually posted? It will be like surprising you. I discovered something that after editing it a little, you post it, they will not really reduce the camera quality. It will still be bright, it will still be more presentable. So that is what I'll be teaching you guys today, how I used to edit my video. Yes, I'm not perfect, I'm not yet perfect, I'm not an editor, but as a content creator, you must know all these things, at least little of each of them, how to edit and all those things. So let me teach you. I'll be using my CapCut app to teach you how to edit the video. Let's dive in. As I said, you must have your CapCut app. You click on your CapCut app. If it's this, cancel. If it's new project, if you have not yet open your video that you want to edit here, you click on new project and select the video. But is this I want to use this video that is here, you click on it. You come down here, let me mute. Okay, he's muted already. You come down here, you swipe, see filter, you click on filter. Under this filter, see adjust. Up here, you click on adjust. Brightness, you go to 6. Contrast, you click on 6 plus 6. Please, you can take your biro and paper to write it if you can't really remember, or save this video for next time. Saturation 6. Brilliance 6. Trust the process, don't mind the way the video is coming up. Sharpness 40. Then you swipe again, look for highlight. Highlights, you do -8. Shadow -6. Then temp, that is temperature, you do -25. Don't mind the way is white. You now go back to this your filters. You come here, live, landscape, and movie. I'll be using my movie, one of the edits. In movie, I used to use either this one day or green, orange, but now they have put pro, so you have to be on CapCut Pro before you can use any of those. So you can just select any one of your choice among all this, but I'll be using this one. I'm on CapCut Pro, so let's use one day first. Reduce it, reduce to 10. Is it okay this way? See the way it is. I want to go and check orange and see if orange will be better. So you just, depending on the lighting, you just check out the two. So for me, let's go with one day. I use one day 10. Reduce it to 10. Okay, so here you click on save. So this is the edited one, and this is the video without editing, and this is the video with editing. So if you post it this way, trust me, they will not really reduce the camera quality. They will not really reduce the camera quality. Even if they reduce it, it will still be bright enough. and reasonable enough for viewers to see it. So you can now go ahead to export it, and that is all. See you all in my next video. Bye.